Welcome to our fashion show. Our contestant number 1 is a little girl named Mirabella Lala Morales. Okay, how are you, baby? I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, our contestant number 2 is Maya Morales. How are you, baby?
I'm okay.
Taga saan ka?
I'm in the Marikina.
Ikaw, batang maliit. Lala, taga saan ka?
Marikina.
Dance. Okay, and our last contestant, Alicia Morales. How are you, Alicia?
I'm fine, thank you.
Taga saan ka?
Marikina City.
Okay, all 3 of you, stand up. Stand up, all together. Model. Mamay. And Lala. Okay, thank you very much. And we'll ask our Lolo and Lola on who's the winner. Say bye!